Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can embed or insert contact form from the Google Docs or Google Form to your Google site or any other website you have. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can embed the contact form into your Google site. For the different websites, I have uploaded another video. You can go to my YouTube channel, PC Tips Pro, and you can search for that video. You can find that. So let's get started. This is the Google form I have created with the name of PC Tips Pro, where I want to take the information like name, email, phone number, and the comment from my website visitor. And this is my website on the Google site, and I want to insert or I want to embed that contact information form into my contact us page. So in order to embed that contact information form onto the contact us page, go to the body part, make a double click, then it's coming up with different options. You can see embed text, image, upload, or the Google Drive. So I will just go ahead and click on this from Drive, and you can see over here my contact form in Google Forms with the name of PC Tips Pro. So I will just go ahead and select the same. Here you can see in my drive it's coming up with the name of PC Tips Pro. So I will select that one and click on insert. Now you can see that contact form. You can see same looking contact form from PC Tips Pro. It's came up on my website where I can take the information like name, email, and the phone number or whatever the information you want to accept from the visitor. So let's go back to the contact us page, and it's already inserted. If you want to keep it in the middle, so just select that part and drag it on the middle. It will come up on the center of the page. Now after inserting this, after embedding this Google form, you will have to click on this publish option, otherwise it will not be published on your website. Now you can see it's published, so I'm going to click on this view option, and here now you can see in the contact us page that form came up, right? So this is the way guys you can embed your contact information form from the Google Forms to the Google site website. Thank you so much guys, and for subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.